Okay, good day everyone. Welcome to my turning channel. We're back. My name's Phil, in case anybody's wondering. And we're going to do a piece of maple here that's fairly nicely spalted. And we're going to pull some epoxy into here, see what we end up with. So here we go. Glue in first if you want to use mold release, because it won't stick to it otherwise. I'm probably going to fill the inside, not probably, I'm going to fill the inside with rice so that we just don't waste a bunch of epoxy there. So yes, you heard me right. I'm going to fill the inside with rice. Don't lift the bag. That should do. Okay, go like that. Just maybe do this and then I'll cut it just to make sure it can breathe. If it can't breathe, you're going to have problems with this, I promise you. You are going to blow this bag up. Sorry about that, I had to swap out a memory card and a battery. So, okay, so we'll just finish taping this baby up. And then we'll get it in the vacuum pot. Throw some color at it. I think we're going to go with a red, because this is Manitoba Maple or box elder. So, because this stuff grows everywhere. But it is really nice when you draw some of the character out of it. So, okay, into the vacuum pot. Okay, so we're going to do 3 liters, a little bit more actually, about like 120 ounces. So we're doing 80 ounces of A, 40 ounces of B. About 2, maybe a little better, 2 1/4 liters. And this will be enough to cover the whole pour, probably, I would think. And we're going to go to 120 with the B. Now I think we're going to do some red. We'll put some scarlet in this. I don't know if you can see that or not. I guess I should do it this way maybe. Do some scarlet. And a little bit of glow in the dark. Just for a little more enhancement there. This will make it glow pink. Okay, we'll mix it up. Okay, and then don't forget your sides and your bottom, because there's always going to be unmixed epoxy there, and you'll find that later when you try to clean your bucket out in a week and it's still got wet epoxy in it, just because you didn't get the stuff on the sides. Okay, so that's going to be ready now for the vacuum chamber. Our piece is already in there. I pre-vacuumed it for about 20 minutes. Just for whatever, I don't know why, but in my mind that works good. So I will go prep the vac chamber and we'll pour this in. We're at the vac chamber. I'll release the pre-vacuum and we'll add some epoxy. Okay, so we got 3 liters scarlet red with a little bit of glow in the dark. Here we go. It's not going to take it all right now, but by the time the entire pour is done, or maybe it will take it all, I believe we will need it. Okay, there we go. And still got enough for, well, maybe we don't have enough for a top up yet. Jeez, look at that, 3 liters gone. And we're going to need more. This process takes about an hour, so I won't bore you with the entire thing. Okay, so there you have it. That's pretty much after full vacuum for pretty much an hour. She's good to go. So we are going to move it into the pressure pot. So I'm going to top this with some black, hoping that I won't have to add any more later. So I'm just going to top up this bucket here with some black epoxy. Not bad, look at that. Okay, let's get this out of the bucket. A little bit of plastic left in there, but we'll turn that out anyway. Thing is, we saved a bunch of epoxy. Okay, let's try and get this out of the bucket now. This is always the hardest part of the whole project, is getting these things out. And I sprayed it with mold release already, so. Oh, there we go, we just wrecked our bucket. So, oh well, I'll just save a bunch of time and cut it out. The only problem with wrecking your buckets is you wreck your buckets. You can't reuse them. So anyway, there it is. That looks really nice. Some red, got some nice black down in there. We'll see how that turns out when we hollow this out. Alright, I'll pick her up on the lathe. it.